Hi all, and welcome to this feature of the week video. Today I'll be presenting Naviate's color elements. Now, Naviate's color elements is under Accelerate, and it is a modeless feature. And what that means is I can have the dialog box up on my screen and still be able to work within my project environment. Here on my screen, you can see I'm still able to select things, highlight views and such on the project browser and edit parameters. So once I open up this dialog box, I'll scroll down to walls and check this off. From here, I can select either an instance or a type-based parameter. So we'll go ahead and check off type. I want to go ahead and hit this drop down. It'll list all of my parameters, and I'll scroll down to my fire rating. Now, as soon as I click on that, you'll notice that on my screen, my walls began to change. So what's happening is Naviate is reading the fire rating parameters of each of the wall, highlighting which ones are in 1 hour with green, 2 hour with teal, 3 hour with dark blue. And then anything that does not have a value currently is just left as clear because here I have it checked off, but if I were to check this on, they would turn red. So not only can I set rules to color my elements on my screen, but I can also disregard one of the rules if I wanted to. Let's say, for example, I wanted to save this because I wanted to use it on other floor plans. I can go ahead and say save here. Let's type in fire rated walls, hit OK. And then whenever I want to, I'll have that easily accessible here on my drop down. So let's say, for example, if I wanted to go to my third floor level and I wanted to see the fire ratings on that level, I can then hit colorize elements and then quickly hit this drop down and I would see my elements colored. One thing to keep in mind is that this is only for solid color fills. You cannot use this for custom hatch patterns. And you can also from here add it to a view filter. So if you wanted to just have this be its own view filter, you could. That would also be an option for you. Once you hit close out of this box, your elements will reset and you no longer see those colored elements. So it's really more so for a temporary, quick, easy access to be able to read your floor plans or your views and see elements quick and easy, depending on what rules you set for the colorize element tool to then respond to. All right, and that's everything I had for today. Again, this was Naviate's feature of the week video, and I was showcasing the color elements tool. Hope this was insightful. Thank you.